Hello viewers, welcome to MDTD Vlogs. My name is Paul and I have with me
Rafia.
Yes, Rafia is my daughter, and I'm starting up this channel, guys, because I want to share with you my passion for cooking authentic Jamaican dishes. And also I'll be sharing some travel vlogs as well as some family vlogs. We will be having some really cool stuff on this channel. So I want you to subscribe to my channel, also like, share with your family and friends, and tell your friends also to share this vlog. We want you to be a part of the MDTD family, and together we're going to grow. Thank you so much. Rafi, do you want to say anything?
No.
No, not yet. All right. So thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.